All right, guys, today this one is just totally for fun. It's way easy. It's just like a no-brainer. Let's have a good time. And it's called Animals with Attitudes. What you are going to learn in this one is you're going to learn about overlapping and how overlapping creates depth or space, which is one of our art elements. So we're going to start with sunglasses. And I'm going to do the cow that was on the front because I just really like cows. So I'm going to start, and my sunglasses are not going to be the same as the cows. I think I'm going to do just kind of like the oval hippie ones. Connect those, and then I'm going to do a frame around the lenses, just like that. Okay, awesome. And then I am going to start with a shape. I'm going to have two angled lines like this, and then they're going to connect up at the top. And then after that, I'm going to do my two cow ears, and they're kind of a leaf shape. And I'm going to do the inside of my cow. And then I'm going to do kind of that wild hair on top, just like that. Now, for the placement, I'm going to start by doing the nose of the cow before I do the sides of the face of the cow. And I'm going to start right down here, kind of centered with a rectangle shape. All right, so there's that part of it. And then I'm going to do kind of this wonky shape in the middle of it, with two noses. Now the part that gives it the attitude is the way that you're drawing the mouth. So instead of having like a smile, which makes it happy, or a frown, which obviously makes it sad or mad, I'm gonna just do this kind of half smirk smile. And that's more of a, yeah, I'm the cool cow, or some other kind of attitude. Okay, after that, we are going to draw one line that comes down here. And notice how I'm not on the very edge of it, I'm kind of keeping it on the middle of it, like that. And then this one's gonna come down to here. And there is my cow with attitude. I'm gonna draw the neck behind my cow, just like that. And then the next part that you can do is we can add a background. So a cow is in a farmyard, so I'm gonna add a fence. And notice how we started with the things that are closest to us, and then we're adding elements that are going back further so that we don't have to erase, because if I would have started with the barn first and I made it really big, I would have had to erase half of it to put the cow on. But by starting with the cow in the front, I don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to add my fence posts. Okay, just like that. And then my barn, I'm going to put a line here, and then a line that goes down. And then I think I'm gonna angle this one back like that. And then behind it, I'm gonna do one of those silos. And actually, I'm gonna erase that part. I think I want to have it with the pointed silo on top of it. And instead of doing straight across lines, because I want it to give the appearance of being rounded, I'm just going to bend those a little bit so that it makes it look like it's rounded. And then I think I'm going to put a window in my barn here, maybe two of those, and then some slats for the barn wood. There we go. Maybe I've got some corn over here or something like that. You know, get creative, do something fun. There we go. So now I've got my cow up front. I have this space right here in the field that goes back to the fence, and then it goes back to the barn and the silo, which is behind it. Now, if you're going to do a sun, please do me a favor. Go outside and look at the moon, actually, because the sun will hurt your eyes. Notice how it doesn't look like this, okay? It's round. So if you're going to put a sun in there, Do a sun in the middle instead of in the corner. Bring it out. Let's see the sun. And if you want to make the cute little cartoony sun rays, go ahead and do that too. But let's pull the sun out of the corner and put him in the middle of the sky, okay? That's it. So for the other ones, just take a look at the shapes that you see. Find your favorite animal, break it down. Like we talked about, the square, the ovals, lines that connect it, leaf shapes. Find the shapes in your animal and break it down, and then do your own drawing. It's the best way. Observing and then drawing and trying to figure it out. It helps with problem solving, and it will help you a lot with more than just art. Okay, see you later.